this program called Borderlands Earth Care Youth. We hire rural youth, ages 15 to 18, to restore their home watersheds. They do that by working together, by picking up rocks to slow down water and sink it into the ground.
Learn something new every day. It doesn't matter what it is, whether it's about the ground itself, whether it's about something in the sky. It's just something new.
It's our responsibility to make sure that there's water here for the next couple generations, and I thought that getting paid to do it is probably the best of both worlds.
You know, we've had a lot of success over the years, so we hope to continue to expand, to hire youth on the US-Mexico border to reconnect the waters and the lands and the cultures that used to flow across